Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share some smoky, festive eye makeup look. Then please keep on watching, but make sure to like, subscribe and share. You can definitely use this makeup look like on festivals, on each and every kind of occasions, because this eye makeup which I'm going to teach you today is one of my favorite and most popping up makeup look. So it will suits to each and every kind of skin tone. You can definitely use this makeup look on each and every kind of skin tone. Okay, and if you like this makeup look, then please keep on watching, but make sure to like, subscribe and share. And if you want to learn this eye makeup, this is bridal colorful eye makeup, and I love colorful eye makeup because sometimes colorful eye makeup looks really royal with colorful outfits. Okay, so that is why you can charge your clients really well with these kind of stunning eye makeup looks. So if you want to learn more and more, then please keep on watching, but make sure like, subscribe and share, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. My handle is Rachmakeups. Now let's move on. Okay, so first I'm going to use this palette. This is the Pretty Little Things palette. I know my eye makeup is looking stunning, so if you want to learn this makeup, please subscribe. Okay, so first I'm going to use this skinny color, like this shade. So first I'm going to apply the shade on my crease area up till here, like this. Just build up the colors really well. Okay, just build up the intensity. If you need more intensity, you can definitely use the more darker color. So next I'm going to use this K Beauty palette, and this is in the variant Wild and Free. Okay, and next I'm going to use this color, like this gray color. It's a semi matte kind of a color, so you can definitely use this shade like on your crease area and on your crease line. And I'm going to use this color on my crease line. And from the same palette I'm going to use the black color. First I'm just tapping the color and then I will blend it. First, with the black shade you have to be very careful because black shade just messed everything really fast, so you have to be very careful with the black shade. When you are done tapping with the black shade, just clean your brush, hold it from the back and then blend it. Okay, and then blend the edges. Now I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution palette and I'm going to mix these two white shades. I'm going to apply it on my front area first. And next I'm going to use this palette and I'm going to mix these two colors. I'm going to apply it over here. I'm going to apply the black color on my lower lash line. And next I'm going to use this palette and I'm going to apply this peacock color on the blue color. And using the skyline color between these two colors. And I'm going to apply this royal blue glitter over here. And a little bit of silver glitter on the front. And pink champagne glitter over here. Okay, so this is how the makeup turns. I just love this eye makeup so much. If you like this makeup look, be sure to like, subscribe and share. And you can definitely follow me on Instagram. My handle is Rachmakeups, and you can definitely follow me on Facebook. My handle is Rach Studios. So be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till then, take care.